Hi, this is Joseph. It is Monday. It is February 22nd. We're looking at the euro dollar. This is the daily time frame. So I'm going to quickly walk you through the process that I use to go from bar charts to finding a precise entry using the point and figure charts, and then using point and figure to not only get my entry, but then calculate how far or how long could I hold on to a trade. Let me walk you through this step-by-step procedure. So here is, again, a daily time frame, euro dollar. This is a bar chart. I prefer to use bar charts, but you can certainly do this with candlestick charts. Nothing wrong with using candlestick charts. Again, daily time frame, we can see this clear level of consolidation. Here is a high. It's running through here. It's been going through here, this range, since December 3rd. So that actually prints a high right there, December 3rd. But this was a very key and critical resistance point. As you can see, it has an impact over here towards the end of January. And then we have another retest. This was February 16th, and then today's retest right here. So again, we're seeing price move and continue to move, but it's also the bounces off of support that we're also able to trade around. So this is also showing us that we've got some moves. This is a test. We get something that looks like a spring right here. And let me show you and walk you through the entire process. So with point and figure, what it does is it gives me an opportunity based on the amount of data and how I construct this chart to calculate how far price is likely to go, which tells me how long I could hold on to a trade, so that I'm not holding on to a trade too long where I give back all my profits. Like, let's say you're just guessing, right? Let's just say you want more, but you don't have anything to justify why it should go further, and you don't know how to calculate that. So again, if you hold on too long, you can give back all your profits if you don't know what's going on. So this was, again, this bounce and that test off of the lows that I showed you on the daily time frame, and then this gave me an entry at 1.2051, 1.2051 on the euro dollar. My target was 1.2169. 1.2169 was my target for a total of 116 pips. You can learn how to do this. I teach you how to do this in my trading course. The way I came up with this calculation, again, it's all based on how I construct the chart. The way that I came up with this figure is calculating and counting the number of columns here in this pattern down here at the lows, which is this area of consolidation. With this chart, the way I constructed it, this was the data that I was working with, and this gave me a total of 16 different columns right here. I multiply the 16 by the way I've constructed this chart, and that gave me my projected take profit here at the 1.2169 level. When you use point and figure and you work the system that I'm teaching into your daily routine, you're going to find that you're no longer scalping for 7 pips, 12 pips, 21 pips, and then not knowing how long to hold on to the trade. You're not guessing anymore. You're going to be able to calculate exactly how to get into the trades and where to lock in profits and close out the trades. This is how you want to trade every day. This is what's going to get you the money that you're looking for. But you can apply these methods to anything. You can apply these methods to investing in stocks and looking at the bigger time frames, like the daily, the weekly, the monthly. I have some of my coaching students that are doing that, and they're in an oil trade that they've been in since November. Point and figure put us in the trade. We looked and analyzed the bar charts. We were looking at a monthly time frame, and they've been riding it from 45, and it's at 60, 61 today, and it continues to move a little bit higher. It's already hit one of our first targets. They've already locked in the profits there, and it continues to go to our second target. The way that we do that, again, is because of the ability to track smart money and to bring that information over here to our point and figure charts and calculate everything correctly by the way you set up the charts. I teach you exactly how to do that in my coaching program. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a great trading day.